A powerful 5.8 magnitude earthquake has struck off the coast of Greece, rattling the island of Crete and sending shockwaves across the eastern Mediterranean region. According to the European Mediterranean Seismological Center and the US Geological Survey, the sudden tectonic event occurred at a shallow depth of approximately 10 to 13 kilometers. The epicenter was pinpointed in the sea, roughly 69 kilometers south-southwest of Rethymno. Positioning the shockwaves directly off the coastlines of both the Rethymno and Chania regional units. Because the tremor was so shallow, the shaking was felt intensely by residents and tourists throughout western Crete, particularly in the major hub of Chania and surrounding coastal settlements like Castri. It triggered immediate alarm as people felt buildings sway. But thankfully, local emergency services in both Chania and Rethymno have reported no major structural damage or serious injuries in the immediate aftermath. Seismologists are closely monitoring the region for potential aftershocks, as this specific marine zone sits along highly active fault lines prone to sudden tectonic shifts. Local authorities remain on high alert, advising citizens to stay prepared but calm. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get the latest news and information about natural disasters around the world, and stay safe.